Choo-choo, listen, hear the sound. A happy train is coming around. Wave your hand and tap your toe. It's time to ride, let's go, let's go. Rolling wheels go round and round. Chug-chug makes a funny sound. Red light, green light, off we glide. Climb aboard, enjoy the ride. Choo-choo train, choo-choo train, moving slow then fast again. Clap your hands and shout hooray! The choo-choo train is on its way. Past the trees and over the hill, through the tunnel, quiet, shh, be still. Out comes sunshine bright and new. The train says toot, toot, just for you. Choo-choo train, choo-choo train, smiling faces everywhere. Jump up high, then sit back down. The happiest train in our town. The train slows down, the ride is done. Thank you, train, it was so fun. Wave goodbye and count to 2. Choo-choo train will